Well, my goodness gracious sakes alive, the new ignition system is in and completely wired, and we actually have sparkles right down there at the sparkler on both sides. I don't know if they're at the right time, but the first thing is that we do have sparkles at the sparklers. So that's the good news. We do have sparks. They're very, very small, but they are there. You don't have to need big ones, you just need them to exist. So we have spark at the sparklers. The wiring is all done. This is the ignition brains. This is the rectifier assembly, rectifier regulator. This is the kill switch that's up here on the dashboard. Dashboard. Up here on the handlebar, that is part of the kit. I need to extend these wires, run them under the tank, and then back to here. Run one to ground and the other to this black-white wire here. I tested it. It does kill the spark, so it is a kill switch. So I'll do that tomorrow because I'm tired, and I'm going to call it a day. And we'll get Kevin down here, and we'll try to do some timing. I'm really apprehensive. I sincerely believe these timing marks are backwards, probably having been designed for Japanese, which with this thing would fit to the other side of the engine, in which case it would rotate the opposite direction, because I can't figure out why they have the advanced marks after top dead center. But I'll double check that tomorrow and see if I can get some indication and maybe make my own timing marks. I haven't decided yet. I will address that tomorrow. As what's her name said and Gone with the Wind, tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. So that's it for the day.